Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. If you notice, my little deal's empty there. And the reason why is I got one of my old cars. That's actually the car that got me into speedrunning and kind of kicked my channel off. And as you can see, it got put up dirty. Let me zoom you out a little bit. It is the Typhon 3S. This is the one that I got. I think it was on a Christmas sale for $149, something like that. But as you can see, it has loaned some parts. It's pretty much empty. Needs to be cleaned up, but my goal with this car was to get it to 100 miles an hour. It took an absolute beating on its way there. I knew nothing about speed running, and managed to finally get it to 101 miles an hour. Probably mostly by accident and extreme overpowering. And then I kind of moved on to the next build car, which was the Arrma's. Learned a bunch of stuff on that. Poor Boys came along. We built some TTO2s. I learned a lot with that. And then I've got the Typhon 6S, which I've also learned a lot with. I don't know what the fastest one of these is, guys. I know the fastest one that I've seen is in the low 100s still. It's 104, 5, 6 miles an hour, something like that. If you guys have seen one faster, let me know. Anyhow, guys, if you guys want me to rebuild this, put it on the channel. I really did enjoy this car, but I've just been kind of looking at it up on the shelf. I originally had intended on trugifying it and turning it into a basher, but I have quite a few bashers that I don't use very often, and this was, like I said, still a fun, fast car, and they're pretty tough. So let me know, guys. I got some stuff I can put in it. I still have most of it. And it still has some upgrades on it. It's got Proline shocks in the back. I do believe I have them for the front as well. I snapped this front shock tower off, and I think this is for a Outcast or something of that nature. So I put it on there just for the heck of it. Yeah, guys, super fun car. Just let me know what you think I ought to do with it. Y'all have an awesome day. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see this dude soon. See you in the next one.